Hey guys, so we found this Mercedes-Benz car at Goodwill and it was 50 bucks. Thing is, it doesn't have a remote or a key. So it looks like someone had been trying to put a screwdriver in here to get it to start, but that will not work. It doesn't work anymore. So I'm gonna take this bad boy apart and we're gonna try to see if we can fix it and repurpose this to get Justin to be able to use it. So I'll bring you guys along the journey. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this thing apart here. I already snapped them all loose. And we're gonna try to get that this key thing up out of here. This is the key switch. Just basically cut the ends off the back side, and we're basically gonna just put a toggle switch, on-off switch on there. So I've already put my crimpers, my ends on the end. Fit it through the hole. We'll put our ends on there. Pop it in. Perfect fit. I don't know if you guys can see the light, but it just cut on there. All right, guys. So we're gonna test this out. We turned the switch on. We're gonna put it in forward. Thing got power. Let's go see if it reversed. Yeah, my little man's ready to go. All right, so we're gonna snap it all back together, clean it up for him real good. We're gonna let him test it out.